So I just want to show you what I've got here cooking in my Rockcrok Dutch oven. This pot is really great. It has really even heating all around and does a great job for anything that has liquid in it, such as cooking grains or rice or lentils, beans, anything like that. Also stews, all kinds of things. But anyways, today all I did was I created these from dry. So I had 2 cups of dry green lentils and I filled them in the pot here with some water just to cover, probably about halfway up the pan, covered about a couple inches, and then I just boiled them and with the lid on for about 20 minutes. And we've got now these beautiful red lentils or green lentils that are ready to go. The trick with green is that you don't want to overcook them. They tend to hold their shape fairly nicely, so they're really great in things where you want a bit of texture, such as a soup or anything like that, where I also make like a lentil sloppy joe, which is really delicious, but you want to have that texture. You don't want them to just be mush, which often happens with the red lentils. They're a lot softer and they cook down a lot further, so they're great for things like dal or stews or kind of stuff like that. But today I'm going to use these in a soup. So I've just got them cooked to go, and then I'm going to add them at the very end to my soup so that they don't overcook and get all mushy. And then I'm going to save the rest, and I'll probably make that lentil sloppy joes, because those are also really delicious.